My name is Chris Fry, an Android developer here at Livefront. This is Hello Dark Theme, my old friend, where I'll be talking about steps to incorporate dark theme into your XML-based Android applications. A little about me before jumping in. I've been with Livefront for 3 years and have worked with Android professionally for 8. If you're on the fence about dark theme, you should know that it comes with a number of advantages over light theme. These advantages include less eye strain, reduced battery drain, and user popularity. In a poll by Android Authority, over 81% of respondents said they preferred dark theme and use it as much as they can. Now, why would you listen to me when it comes to dark theme? First, I'm an avid dark theme user. And second, I recently finished adding dark theme to a Livefront client project with thousands of daily active users. Before you start playing around with colors, you'll need to determine how you want to deliver dark theme to your users. If you're starting a brand new project, you're good to go. You can add both light and dark theme UI as you go. It can be a little more complicated when you're adding dark theme to an existing application. You can release dark theme UI as it's completed, or introduce a feature flag to unveil dark theme all at once. A feature flag will also allow dark theme work to move forward without impacting production releases. Step 1 for supporting dark theme is going to be establishing your brand. Whether established by a client, designer, or yourself, someone needs to decide what colors will be utilized within your application. When establishing your colors, it is important to consider dark theme as soon as possible. This will help avoid situations where developers are guessing at dark theme colors. Establishing a common naming convention for your color pairs is extremely important. This naming convention will ensure that all parties are talking about the same colors, no matter what platform or role. One don't when establishing color names is to never name a color black or white. These colors are typically inverted when switching between light and dark themes. It is much better to use a descriptive name like background primary or text dark primary to avoid confusion. The next step to bring dark theme to your application is going to be creating your palette. Similar to how an artist lays their colors on a palette board, we'll put all our colors in a file named Colors Palette. This file will contain your light colors, your dark colors, and be the only file that contains raw color hex values. Color names within this file should not provide context to how these colors will be used, nor should they reference your color naming strategy. The colors in this file will not have a dark theme pairing and therefore should not be directly used within your application. Because of this, I like to give these colors names that will scare developers away, which is why most of the names you can see here have an attached hex value. All new colors added to your application should first be added to this file. You may have noticed that this file contains the color names black and white after I just mentioned not to use those. Palette color names will not have a dark theme override. Because of this, there will be no chance of a black name representing a white color or vice versa. Step 3 for dark theme implementation is splitting your colors. This is where your dark and light color pairing takes place. 2 design color files need to be created, one for dark theme and one for light theme. The dark theme file will be located in the night resources directory. This ensures that the Android system will pull the right colors for your dark theme. This is also where your color naming convention comes into play. It is key that your dark file uses the same color names as your light file, or else the colors you use won't have dark overrides. Now that you've set up dark and light color pairs, you can use these color resources to take advantage of Android's automatic color switching. Step 4, and objectively the most time-consuming step, is eliminating raw color usage. All colors used within your application need to reference a color from your design color files. This means eliminating any color hex values that are not located in your colors palette file. Raw color values within apps lead to UI colors not changing with device theme, failure to use correct brand colors, and inconsistent color usage. Utilizing color references from your design files allows developers to drive consistency, react to theme toggling, and apply color changes to similar UI components with limited code change. I can't stress this enough. You should never use your palette colors outside your design color files. These colors don't have a dark pairing and will not react to dark theme changes. Finally, the last step is to embrace the darkness. Once you're only using design color references, your UI will automatically react to device theme changes. This is when you'll want to double check you're matching your design and get a thumbs up from whoever is in charge of colors. Don't forget, if you used a feature flag to hide dark theme progress, you'll need to pull that out. Thank you for watching my talk, and I hope this process makes bringing dark theme to your next application a little bit easier.